I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still make you want round me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my thug. And I can't shake this tab enough.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allie. Don't mind my crazy looking nails. I've been cutting them because I feel like my real nail is breaking, but whatever. So I'm at the post office right now because I have a few Poshmark orders. I'll link my Poshmark down below. They never sell anything for more than $20, so yeah, you can go ahead and check that out. So as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be spending the day alone and just be doing stuff like working out, going to the beach, tanning. I bought myself a new book already that I want to read at the beach. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys along the whole day. Okay, so I just dropped off those packages. Now we're gonna go to the gym. And I stopped drinking energy drinks and pre-workout. I was on the amino lanes for a while, but I don't know. It's not really my thing, but I got this tea from this little shop close to where I live, and it's pretty good. It's a raspberry tea, and I feel like it just gives me like that natural boost of energy that I need. So yeah, let's go to the gym.
Good day, mama. Safe to take a step out. Get some air now. Let your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from listening. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Not gonna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go.
Okay, so I'm on my way to the beach. I'm about 30 minutes away, and I got my protein smoothie. So at the gym, I've only been doing cardio. Oh my god. I've only been doing cardio at the gym because I just really want to shred right now, and then once I'm at my goal, then I'll start lifting a little bit of weight. I always sweat like crazy, and I don't know, I love the workout routine that I'm doing right now. I love it. One of my good friends, Cindy, put me onto that routine. Okay, I just got to the beach. I got a little lost, not gonna lie, but we made it, so that's all that matters. I don't even know if this is a beach that I was trying to go to, but it's okay. It still looks nice. They also really, 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 really have to go to the bathroom, and I'm not gonna go like out here. I don't like using the bathrooms at the beach. But I don't think I said what smoothie I have. This is a cherry vanilla almond milk, something like that. I don't know, but let's go get a nice tan right now. Honestly, I'm surprised it's a little busy, but we're still gonna go. I've never gone to the beach by myself before. Oh, it's so nice. Hold on. It's so pretty. I found a spot. I'm just gonna spray some SPF on me because I'm not trying to be all wrinkly when I'm out. This was so needed. guys, I literally can't make this up right now, but a bird just shat on me. Like, okay. But I guess it means good luck, so. This is kind of gross. He's a paid actor right there. Okay, I know it's no freaking Caribbean, but I love these beaches because the water is just a lot cleaner, and the beach in general over here is a lot cleaner and just nicer. I don't know, like there isn't a bunch of trash, and yeah, it's just beautiful. I'm still in shock that a bird literally crapped on me, but yeah. Got this hat from this event that I went to with my best friend, I thought, and it's just been my go-to hat for whenever I go to the beach. But yeah. This is a book that I picked up. I've heard really good things about this book, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it, but yeah, I'm excited. So many people getting in the water. I love it. I don't know why it's making me kind of emotional, but it's just like, it's so wholesome, and I don't know, I love life. Life is beautiful. I've already been here for about 2 hours, I want to say. Okay, I definitely got a little tan going on. Now I'm gonna hit traffic on the way home. I'm just so zen. I feel so calm and happy.